Greetings friends, hope all of you are doing great and are healthy. Today I'm going to talk about another interesting psychology model which we as agile coaches use extensively, and this is called as the 4-stage competency model. As you can see, there's a pyramid and there are 4 stages of the pyramid. And you know what, our teams or coaches could be in any of these levels, and accordingly as coaches we have to devise a strategy for transformation. The lowest level in this pyramid is what we call as the zone of unconscious incompetence. So what does unconscious incompetence means? Unconscious incompetence means that the coaches or my teams are following some practices which are inherently not the correct way of doing things. For example, lack of automation in your testing suite, or for example, taking a minutes of meeting of a daily stand-up meeting. I mean, as we all know, right? I mean, these are not the proper agile practices per se, but the team is not even aware that these are wrong things. They are completely unconscious about an incompetency present in them. Now, this is where as a coach, I will have to realize or make the team realize that, okay, this is not a correct way. So I'll have to give them training. I will need to provide them coaching to move them to the next level. The next level is the team becomes conscious. So in the previous zone, they were unconscious. Now they become conscious, but that incompetency is still there in the team. But at least a good sign is that the team members have realized that, yes, this is something wrong we are doing. And once the realization has set in, they will try to make an amend. For example, yes, they will continue to do a minutes of meeting of a daily stand-up meeting, but slowly the realization will dawn in that this is not a right way of things. As a coach, here I would say that you will have to make your efforts in a sustaining manner, which means you will have to do a rinse and repeat. You will have to keep on repeating the negative practices which are still being followed. Then you move the team into the third zone, which is a zone of what we call as a conscious competence zone. So their incompetency has been removed and now they are doing things in a right way. Although they may not be as efficient as we as coaches would like it to be, but at least this is a kind of a clean area or a clean slate area where all the anti-agile practices, the wrong practices being followed in the previous 2 zones have been eliminated. And as I said, they're doing it in a correct way, but they are not into that high performance zone. The real fruits of a transformation will come in when your team moves into the zone of unconscious competence, which is at the top of the pyramid. What is unconscious competence? Unconscious competence means that success has become a habit in the team, right? Unknowingly or knowingly, they will do the right things. So the team has reached the highest level of maturity and they are in that league of what we call as high performance agile team. I hope this short video was beneficial to all of you, and do subscribe to the channel at the link mentioned below. This is your coach Ashutosh Bhatodekar signing off for now. Have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching me.